Welcome to another video in Malta, and we are in the city of Sliema. In the distance there you can see the capital city of Valletta, and this is literally across the bay. So this is called Sliema. It's a very busy district. As you can see, there's a lot of options for boat rides and things like that. It is winter right now, so a lot of these excursions are not running, but obviously in the peak summer, you know, it will be a lot more options. So you can get things like the bus, or you can get these boats which go to the different sites. Some of them are operational. We'll have a go look and check out some of the prices. There are a lot of restaurants and stuff across the road. Driving here was a little bit manic. It was a bit busy, even though it's not a busy time. Parking's a bit of a nightmare too. So there are different types of boats here, from these little mini boats to the big ones, as well as medium-sized cruise boats as well. So there's loads of obviously options to take a tour with different companies, which generally be available from these types of stands. A lot of these stands are closed, but there will be some that are still open right now. So the main Sliema hotel is across the road there, and there are restaurants and things like that as well along this promenade. So you can rent things like quad bikes, and you can do a jeep safari, as well as other things as well, like hiring scooters, motorbikes and different types of transport. And these are some of the bus routes which you can do. So the red bus route stays on the east of the island. There's the blue ones, the north and a bit of the west as well. And you can go inland to the Sliema city. Obviously you have to cross the road and go up some of the alleyways. I believe it is on a hill, so it will be a little bit steep. The water here is not as clear as it is in other parts of the island. It's quite busy here. Buses are coming along regularly, and they are generally full on the inside if you take a look. There are a number of food vans as well, not available just here but scattered around the city. They seem to be quite popular. So here it says that cruises are 2 hours long, and the last one is at 4 p.m. I'm assuming that will be during the summer. This gets dark around 5 p.m. This one says you can book it online. Adventure cruise. So this is a bit of a longer one. So it leaves at 11:30, returns at 5:30. Private chartered tour on a speedboat. So across there is an island called Manuel Island. You can see there's a lot of greenery there on the island.
Papa, you have to walk.
And there is a road that goes there. I don't know if it's open for everyone or you need special access. So you can get travel cards if you want to get the bus. The buses are green and this is how they look. You just collect it from one of these travel card shops, I'd say. Gelato is obviously very popular here in Malta, so if you are coming and you do like a bit of ice cream, then I do recommend that.
Papa, I think, aren't you buy a rainbow ice cream for me?
So coming up to an ice cream hut now. We'll get some gelato.
Otherwise it gets more and more expensive. We can talk about that later.
It's not very busy here. It is a little bit cold. We are in December, so I can imagine that this will be extremely busy in the summer. One of the things is they are very big on recycling. There are recycling bins all over the place, and they do encourage it. There's a lot of advertisements and stuff like that, and it helps to keep the city clean, the island clean, which is really, really good. So we have crossed the road now. This side it's not as cold as the opposite side. There's a lot more coverings from the restaurants and stuff like that. A lot of these restaurants, they have outdoor seating areas which are covered, which obviously make it easier, but it's slightly weird kind of walking through them. But it's okay, it's what it is. It's probably weirder for the people sitting there and the waiters who are serving these people. It's not a very big plaza, but you get a general feel for how it's like. So we are out of the shopping centre now. There's a lot of recognisable retail names such as Superdry, Clark's, Next.
Oh yeah, I mean we're not exactly.
And many shops like that.
Mary Jose.
One of the biggest banks here on the island, or international banks, is HSBC. I got to try Guineas and it tastes like grapefruit with a sour initial taste and a sweet aftertaste, and it was really, really nice. I'm really pleased I got to try that. I've never tried it anywhere else in the world, and yeah, it is really, really nice. I'm going to be ending the video there, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave any comments behind. Thank you and ciao.